back to another video. No, I'm excited for this video because you're getting my living room makeover, or rather living room refresh. Yes, it's not a makeover, I'm just going to change up a few things such as the wall art, the curtains and all. I hope you enjoy this video. If you're new here, I am Renee and I share all things home related. So not going to keep it too long, let's get into the refresh. Okay, so this is what the living room is looking like now. This shelf is a shelf that came out of my kitchen. The top shelf that I said came off, so I have this here now with my DIY stuff, my paints and all. So I put it over here now. The chair is there. I won't be doing anything much over the office area. The only thing I'll be doing is adding some stuff on the shelf there and add a picture frame. I took down the frames because I'm adding a new wall art to it. Over here, my TV area, I'm going to put some decoration to the top of it. The next shelf came over here and the dining table. So changing the look of your living room is not hard. The colors I'm using now is shades of green. When I say shades of green, I'm actually trying to use sage, but then I got a paint that I used to do some DIY, which is mint green, so I turn it into a shades of green decor. This clock I got from Pings. It's not working. I don't know why I put battery in it. I'm just going to rest it here until I decide what I'm going to do afterwards. This lantern, I spray painted it gold and then I paint it with the mint green paint. The tray I got from Maxi, and that bottle I DIY. It's a marble effect DIY. This light I got from Maxi as well, and this succulent and container that it is in I got from Pings, and the candle here as well I get from Newdale Pharmacy in Avondale Plaza. So you can decorate your space by making things. This lamp as well is a DIY lamp, and I'm here going to DIY my wall art as well. So I get 2 foam boards and I purchased wallpaper. I was searching for a sage pattern or so, but then because I'm working with a little gold, I got this gold and white one. So I am using it. I'm going to place it on it crossway and then I do the other piece long way. You can lift up and put it back down. It sticks easily to the board. Some people put it on wall, but I guess our concrete wall here in Jamaica, you'd have to know what type of wallpaper you're using because there are many different types. So here I am putting on this piece on it, and then I will go in and do it the long way as well. So as you can see, it is very easy. It's not hard, and it's one great way that you can elevate your space and wall arts. Don't leave the wall blank. If you haven't seen my video, check the link down below how to decorate above your sofa. I will be hanging this smaller art here. This one, the green was yellow. I just paint over the yellow into the green, and then I will be hanging my curtains. This curtain I got from Lotus, and as I mentioned, an affordable way that you can use is buying one curtain, cut it in 2. You don't have to buy so many curtains, especially for small windows. My window is small, so I buy 1 panel and my mother cut it in 2. So ensure that you arrange your curtains properly. Also try to hang your curtains as high as possible. If you're in a small space, the higher you hang it, the more elevated, because your eyes will be drawn up. Now my wall, it's hard to hang my curtains higher because when I try to bore it, the wall is hollow, is like it was, what should I say, shattering, if that is the term. So if you can, hide your curtain as high as possible. So that is one way as well. Curtain is a easy way to add decor to elevate any room. So I always say add curtain, add wall art, add decor, fill up the wall. Now this game I am putting under this shelf. It's a cranium game and Scrabble. I've never played a cranium, but I hope I can play it sometime soon. And the next thing you have to understand is you can switch up things as well. If you put something somewhere you can always move it around. Like the tablet box there that I paint, I'm going to move it and put it over this side. This is a picture frame as well, the wallpaper inside of it, and I painted the frame in the green as well. And beside it is my DIY hula hoop shelf. So here I am putting this box over here, and then I'm going to redecorate over this side with a tray that I purchased from Maxi. No, it's not Maxi, no, it's Pinks. I got this tray from Pinks, and then my DIY cup and bowl. Okay, so now I will be adding the cushion covers, because I really don't do cushions again. I just keep a few of the inserts, and I'm going to add these inserts inside of the covers. So as I said, if this is a way as well for storage purpose, if you're in a small space, you don't have to buy cushions. You can just buy these inserts, and then you get cushion covers. So if you follow my videos and haul, this tray I got from Lotus upstairs clock tower as well, and I want you guys to stick around to the end because this coffee table will be changing. After realizing that I had purchased a coffee table, had it in a box, I might not get to spray paint it now, but I'm going to use it as it is. So I'm going to change over this coffee table, so I hope you stay to the end. I'm adding a throw as well. A throw blanket is another way to decorate your space, to add colors and all. And I'm going to use this room spray from Very Essentials. This is an air freshener. You guys can check out their Instagram page as well. Now I'm about to set up this coffee table. Now the coffee table is what should I say, it's in a natural color. I need to spray paint it, but it's like every time I need to spray paint, or I said I'm going to spray paint, or even think about spray painting, rainfall, or the place set up for rainfall, or if I start spray when the sun hot, rain end up fall every single time. Sometimes it's inside the stuff have to dry. I don't know why. Let me know why. Every time I need to spray, the rainfall. So this is a coffee table. It is very easy. When I say it's very easy to set up, very easy. I had to change the black one because the space is small, so every time I walk, my toe bounce on it. So it really gets annoying. So that's why I'm changing it now. These are some, what they call it, felt pads I'm putting on the legs, so that if I'm moving it or so, it doesn't slide on the carpet or scrape up the tile, the ugly tile them. I hate the tile, let me see. The amount of time I talk about them tile here, I need to get a different flooring for this floor. Anyways, get back to the video. Now I'm going to decorate back the coffee table. I'm going to put the books on it that I had with this basket from Fashion Era Beauty. And now this is what the living room is looking like. Thank you for making it to the end of this video. If you love this video, you will love my kitchen makeover as well. So see you on that video.